The AI gold rush is happening right now, but while everyone else is distracted by viral images and chatbots, the real empires are being built in the background solving boring, expensive problems for other businesses. In this video, I'm going to break down the 5 most profitable AI business models that you can start in 2025 to get in on this transformation. Option 1. The AI-powered e-commerce revolution. First up, and maybe one of the most accessible models out there, is building and scaling AI-powered e-commerce brands. The problem you're solving is huge. Traditional e-commerce is just plain inefficient. It's bogged down by insane customer acquisition costs, frustrating service experiences, and so much money lost to abandoned carts. Let's face it, most online stores feel impersonal and totally fail to connect with customers. The AI solution? You build a new kind of e-commerce business that's smart from the very beginning. The market for AI in e-commerce is expected to hit around $9.19 billion in 2025, and more than double in the years to follow. And this is way more than just slapping a chatbot on a website. We're talking about using AI to automate and optimize every single step of the customer's journey. So, here's the game plan. First, you use AI to find a profitable niche and an underserved audience. There are tools that analyze market trends and consumer data to practically hand you a winning product idea. Next, you build your store on a platform like Shopify, which is going all in on AI. Instead of spending days writing product descriptions, you use AI to generate killer, SEO-optimized copy for dozens of products in minutes. Instead of shelling out for expensive photo shoots, you use AI image generators to create unique product mock-ups and lifestyle photos. But the real game changer is personalization. AI lets you create a one-to-one shopping experience for every single person who visits your site. AI recommendation engines can boost revenue by showing customers exactly what they're likely to buy next. You can set up AI-powered virtual assistants that offer personal styling advice or help customers find the perfect gift, which dramatically increases conversion rates. You can even optimize your supply chain, with AI predicting how much inventory you'll need. You're not just selling a product, you're selling a hyper-personalized, efficient, and genuinely engaging experience that old-school brands just can't keep up with. Option 2. The AI Automation Agency. The second business model is the AI Automation Agency. The problem you're solving here is that almost every small and medium-sized business is drowning in repetitive manual work. They waste countless hours on data entry, qualifying leads, customer follow-ups, and internal reports. All of this kills productivity, drives up costs, and stops them from growing. Most business owners know they need to automate, but they have no idea where to even start. That's where you come in. An AI automation agency is a service that helps businesses weave AI and automation into their daily operations. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding genius. The key is to master no-code and low-code platforms like Zapier, Make.com, or UiPath. These tools are like digital glue, connecting different software so you can build powerful automated workflows without writing a single line of code. Your roadmap starts by picking a niche. Don't be a jack of all trades. Become the go-to expert for a specific industry, like real estate, law firms, or dental clinics. For example, you could specialize in helping law firms automate their client intake process, or help dental offices automate appointment reminders. Next, you create a crystal-clear service package. You could start with an AI readiness assessment, where you analyze a client's business and pinpoint the top 3 to 5 tasks you could automate for the biggest bang for their buck. From there, you can offer project-based services to build those automations. Imagine building a system that automatically pulls a lead from a website, finds their professional info online, decides if they're a good fit, and sends them right to the correct salesperson. Demand for this is exploding as companies scramble to stay competitive. You can charge premium, recurring fees for your expertise, creating a steady revenue stream. You're not just selling a tool, you're selling efficiency, lower costs, and a clear path for them to scale their business. Option 3. AI-powered content creation services. The third model is an AI-powered content creation agency. The problem is simple and universal. Every single business needs content to survive. They need blog posts for Google, social media updates to stay relevant, video scripts for marketing, and ads that actually convert. The demand is literally infinite, but the time and money to create it are not. Traditional content creation is slow, expensive, and a nightmare to scale. The AI solution is to build a content engine that uses AI to produce high-quality content at a speed and scale that was unimaginable just a few years ago. Now, this isn't about replacing human creativity, it's about supercharging it. You use AI as a powerful assistant to do the heavy lifting, which frees up your team to focus on strategy, editing, and making the final product shine. So here's the plan. You start by mastering a handful of the best AI content tools. For writing, think about tools like Jasper or WriteSonic. For video, platforms like Synthesia let you create realistic AI avatar videos, while others can handle most of the editing. For design, AI image generators can create custom graphics and ad creatives in seconds. Your agency would offer content packages on a monthly subscription. For a set fee, a client gets a certain number of blog posts, social media updates, and maybe even short videos. Since AI is handling 80% of the initial work, your costs are incredibly low, which means your profit margins can be very high. To really stand out, you need to specialize. You could become the top AI content provider for tech companies, helping them with technical blog posts. Or you could focus on e-commerce brands, creating product descriptions that drive sales. A key part of your service is making sure the content always sounds like the client. Many AI tools let you create custom brand voice profiles, so all the content perfectly matches their tone. You're selling a scalable solution to one of the biggest headaches in modern business. Option 4, the AI-driven customer service firm. Fourth on the list, providing AI-powered customer service. The problem here is one of the oldest in business. Scaling customer support is a nightmare. Hiring, training, and managing a big team of support agents is a huge expense and an operational headache. The result? Customers get stuck with long wait times and inconsistent answers, which kills loyalty and hurts revenue. The AI solution is to offer intelligent, automated customer service that can handle the majority of questions instantly and accurately, 24/7. Modern AI customer service is so much more than a dumb chatbot. These systems can understand complex questions, pull detailed answers from a company's knowledge base, and even take action, like processing a return or updating an account. Platforms like Zendesk and Intercom are leading the way, with some businesses automating a huge portion of their customer support tickets. Your roadmap is to become an expert in setting up and managing these AI systems for other businesses. You'd start by partnering with one of the leading platforms. Your service would involve setting up the AI, integrating it with the client's other software, and training the AI on the company's specific products and policies. Your business model is a monthly retainer for managing and optimizing the system. It's a total win-win. The client slashes their support costs while making customers happier, and you build a stable, recurring revenue stream. You can easily prove your value with hard numbers, like faster response times and a drop in the number of issues that need a human agent. You're not just reselling software. You're a strategic partner helping businesses turn a major cost center into an efficient, scalable asset. Option 5, the AI consulting and education business. The fifth and final model is an AI consulting and education business. The core problem here is a massive knowledge gap. Executives, managers, and entrepreneurs hear about AI constantly, but most have no clue how to actually apply it to their own business. They're overwhelmed, confused by the jargon, and terrified of being left behind. They need a guide. The solution is for you to become that guide. An AI consultant helps businesses create a smart strategy for adopting AI. This is an incredibly high-value service because you're providing clarity on decisions that could be worth millions. It's no surprise that the AI consulting market is growing rapidly. Here's your roadmap. First, you need to develop deep expertise in one specific area. This could be AI for marketing, AI for finance, or AI for manufacturing. You don't have to build the AI yourself, but you need to understand the best tools, use cases, and the potential return on investment inside and out. Next, you build your authority. You do this by creating content, writing detailed articles, hosting webinars, or speaking at industry events. Give away your insights and case studies to show you know what you're talking about. That content becomes your #1 lead magnet. Your main offering could be an AI strategy session. In these sessions, you'd work with a company's leadership to find their biggest challenges and map out a step-by-step plan for implementing AI. From there, You can offer ongoing advisory services to help them pick the right tools and measure their success. And to scale, you turn to education. Once you have a proven framework, you can create online courses, corporate workshops, or paid newsletters that teach others your methods. This creates an additional, highly scalable stream of revenue. You're getting paid for your knowledge while helping to prepare the entire workforce for the age of AI. In conclusion, these 5 business models, AI-powered e-commerce, automation agencies, content services, customer support firms, and consulting, are not just passing trends. They represent a fundamental change in how our economy works. They solve real, expensive problems for businesses and offer a clear path to building a profitable, scalable company. The best part is, the tools to build these businesses are more accessible than they've ever been. The barrier to entry isn't a lack of coding skills, it's a lack of vision and the guts to take action. The AI revolution is happening right now, with or without you. It's not too late to get in the game. Pick one of these models, dive in, and start building. The time is now. If you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video, where we'll do a deep dive into building your very first AI automation for a client. And let me know in the comments which of these 5 business models you're most excited about. Thanks for watching.